Hi everybody. This video will demonstrate how and why to use the Ideas Forum in aXcelerate. The Ideas Forum is the place to see all improvement suggestions made by aXcelerate users. The Ideas Forum is constantly reviewed by the aXcelerate team for future developments. On the Ideas Forum, you can vote and leave comments on suggestions and posts that you agree with. The more activity a post has, the more likely it is to be implemented by our development team. So it's always best to see if a post exists before creating a new one yourself. From the dashboard in aXcelerate, you can access the Ideas Forum by navigating to the Help menu and clicking the Ideas Forum link. Here you can see posts sorted by the date they were created, though you can change this with the sorting drop-down menu. To add a new suggestion to the forum, simply click New Post. Give the post a brief yet clear title and provide as much information as possible. Be sure to outline what the missing functionality is, how it would be used, and how it would benefit the average aXcelerate user. Links and screenshots are always welcome. Click Submit to create the post. The aXcelerate team aim to respond to all posts created on the Ideas Forum, and all posts are considered for development. In summary, this video has given a brief overview of the Ideas Forum.